and solid performance without breaking the bank, the 2026 Hyundai Elantra might just grab your attention. Hyundai has been refining the Elantra over the years, and this latest version proves they've found a rhythm in blending practicality with modern appeal. Let's dive into everything you need to know about the 2026 Elantra. From the moment you see it, the Elantra looks sharp. Hyundai continues to lean into its edgy, futuristic design language. The front grille has been reworked, featuring a sleeker and more aggressive look. Slimmer headlights with a refined LED signature give the car a sportier presence. The sculpted body lines along the sides give it a dynamic stance, and the rear end now features updated tail lights that stretch across the trunk for a more premium look. Hyundai clearly wants this car to turn heads, and for a compact sedan, it does just that. Under the hood, Hyundai is keeping things relatively familiar but improved. The standard Elantra comes with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that produces around 147 horsepower, offering enough power for daily commutes and light highway cruising. There's also the turbocharged 1.6-liter option in the N-Line model for those who want a bit more punch, delivering about 201 horsepower. It's not a performance car per se, but it definitely brings some extra excitement to the table. And if you're all about efficiency, the hybrid model continues to be part of the lineup, pairing a 1.6-liter engine with an electric motor for excellent fuel economy, easily pushing into the 50 mpg range. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Elantra continues to impress. Hyundai knows how to deliver upscale interiors at affordable prices, and that trend carries on. The dashboard layout is clean and driver-focused, with a modern digital display cluster paired with a large central touchscreen. In higher trims, you're looking at a 12.3-inch display with seamless smartphone integration, voice control, and built-in navigation. Even in lower trims, you're getting impressive tech for the price point. One major update is the improvement in interior materials. Hyundai has upped its game with softer touch surfaces and more refined trim pieces. The seats are supportive and comfortable, and there's surprisingly good legroom in the back for a car this size. The trunk offers solid cargo space, making it practical for grocery runs, weekend getaways, or carrying gear around town. Safety has always been a key selling point for Hyundai, and the 2026 Elantra is no exception. Hyundai's Smart Sense suite comes standard with features like lane keeping assist, forward collision avoidance, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. For a car in this price range, you're getting top-tier safety tech that rivals even some luxury brands. Driving the Elantra feels composed and confident. It's not trying to be a sporty machine, but it handles daily driving with ease. The steering is responsive, ride quality is smooth, and road noise is nicely controlled. If you opt for the N-Line, things get a bit more engaging thanks to sport-tuned suspension and paddle shifters. It's a fun-to-drive package without sacrificing comfort. As for pricing, Hyundai keeps things competitive. The base model starts at an accessible level, making it a great option for first-time buyers or anyone looking for value. Higher trims and hybrid models offer more features and tech without crossing into unaffordable territory. Overall, the 2026 Hyundai Elantra is a well-rounded compact sedan that punches above its weight. With its sharp looks, updated interior, improved tech, and multiple powertrain options, it's a serious contender in the segment. If you're in the market for a smart, stylish daily driver that's packed with features, the new Elantra deserves a close look. That's it for today on Autoland Ultimate. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to stay tuned for more detailed car reviews and updates from the automotive world.